Hi, it's Craig Brock, mortgage originator. Hey, have you heard about the Fannie Mae HomeStyle Renovation Loan? This is an amazing opportunity to purchase a home and have renovation financing wrapped together with the acquisition. This is a great way to purchase a property that needs some repairs, maybe some renovations. You get in, you acquire the property after the fact. You can make the repairs. You have 6 months to get these repairs completed. This is the best way that I've seen to be able to build wealth in America. I encourage you to find out if you're eligible for this product. You don't have to have perfect credit by any means. You just have to have a 620 or better credit score. You end up putting a low down payment. In many cases, if you're a first-time buyer, you can put down 3%, and then you get the monies for the rehab after the fact. That are fund controlled. I encourage you to call us so we can run the numbers and show you what this looks like for the property that you have in mind. It's Craig Brock helping you pursue the American dream. My phone is 619-602-4850. We hope to hear from you today. Thanks.